Air superiority has always been crucial in military strategy, and the United States has long led the charge with cutting-edge aviation technology. However, a new era is on the horizon with the announcement of the F-55 and Boeing F-47 fighter jets. President Trump's bold move on May 15, 2025, promises to solidify America's position as the dominant air power of the future. These two aircraft will reshape air combat, offering unmatched capabilities. But why does the US need the F-55? And how does the F-47 enhance this vision? Let's dive into the state of US air power and the challenges that lie ahead. The evolution of air power. The cornerstone of US air superiority in the 21st century has been the Lockheed Martin F-35 Lightning II. The F-35 is a multi-role single-engine fighter jet that was built for a variety of missions, including air superiority, ground attack, and intelligence gathering. With its stealth capabilities, advanced radar systems, and cutting-edge avionics, the F-35 is designed to operate in contested airspaces and perform precision strikes with exceptional effectiveness. The F-35 comes in three variants: the F-35A conventional takeoff and landing, the F-35B short takeoff and vertical landing, and the F-35C carrier-based. Each variant serves a unique purpose, but they all share one common trait. They are designed to be the most advanced fighter jets ever created. With a price tag of approximately $100 million per unit and a total program cost exceeding $428 billion, the F-35 represents the pinnacle of modern air power. Despite its impressive capabilities, recent operations have exposed some unexpected vulnerabilities in the F-35. In particular, its effectiveness was tested during operations against the Houthi militia in Yemen, a non-state actor backed by Iran. The Houthis employed rudimentary air defense systems, many of which used passive infrared sensors that the F-35's electronic warfare suite struggled to detect. These defense systems posed a serious threat to U.S. operations, successfully downing numerous American MQ-9 Reaper drones and nearly striking an F-35 fighter jet during an operation in March 2025. This vulnerability raised concerns about the F-35's ability to survive against even relatively unsophisticated adversaries, which could limit its effectiveness in certain conflict scenarios. It became clear that the U.S. military needed to upgrade its existing fleet and develop a new generation of aircraft capable of dominating more complex battle environments. Enter the F-55, a bold new fighter. In response to these vulnerabilities, the U.S. military began working on a solution, an upgrade to the F-35 that would address its weaknesses and enhance its capabilities. The result was the F-55, a fifth-generation plus fighter jet that would serve as a more advanced and versatile counterpart to the F-35. Officially announced by President Trump on May 15, 2025, the F-55 is a product of Lockheed Martin and represents a substantial leap forward in fighter technology. One of the key differences between the F-55 and its predecessor, the F-35, is its design. Unlike the F-35, which is powered by a single engine, the F-55 features two engines. This dual-engine configuration not only increases thrust, but also improves the aircraft's survivability, particularly during long-range missions in contested environments like the Pacific. This enhancement could be particularly useful in the event of a conflict with China, where the ability to conduct sustained operations at extended ranges would be crucial. The F-55's twin-engine design also offers increased payload capacity, allowing it to carry a wider variety of munitions for different mission types. Whether engaging in air-to-ground strikes, close air support, or secondary air-to-air combat, the F-55 would be able to perform these roles with greater flexibility than its predecessors. Despite its impressive features, the F-55's existence remains somewhat shrouded in mystery. While President Trump publicly revealed its development, official Pentagon documentation has yet to confirm the F-55's full capabilities and specifications. Some speculate that the F-55 could be tied to an existing program, such as the U.S. Navy's F-A-20 program, which is set to replace the F-A-18 Super Hornet by the 2030s. The F-A-20 program emphasizes twin engines for carrier-based operations, which aligns with the F-55's design goals. Regardless of its official status, the F-55 is poised to become a central component of the U.S. military's air strategy for the foreseeable future. The F-47, the next-generation air superiority fighter. While the F-55 will enhance the U.S.'s ability to perform a variety of missions, the F-47 is a true game-changer. Announced in March 2025, the Boeing F-47 is the U.S. Air Force's first sixth-generation fighter jet and represents the next evolution in air superiority. Designed to replace the F-22 Raptor, the F-47 is a highly advanced platform that incorporates a number of groundbreaking features. The F-47 boasts cutting-edge stealth capabilities, advanced sensors, and adaptive propulsion that allows it to reach speeds exceeding Mach 2 without the need for afterburners. This will enable the F-47 to operate effectively in contested airspaces, such as those in the Pacific, where it can outpace enemy fighters and strike targets from a distance. The F-47 is also designed to work in tandem with autonomous drones known as collaborative combat aircraft, which can act as wingmen, providing additional firepower, enhancing situational awareness, and absorbing threats on behalf of the manned fighter. With an estimated unit cost ranging from $180 million to $300 million, the F-47 is a significant investment for the U.S. military. However, its capabilities in terms of range, speed, and adaptability to advanced air defenses like China's HQ-9 and Russia's S-400 make it an invaluable asset in the fight for air superiority. Additionally, the F-47's ability to coordinate with drones and leverage artificial intelligence for autonomous command and control gives it a distinct advantage over older platforms. While the F-47 is primarily focused on high-end threats, such as advanced adversary aircraft and air defenses, the F-55 will complement it in more varied and lower-intensity conflicts. How the F-55 and F-47 will work together. The true strength of the F-55 and F-47 lies in their ability to complement each other on the battlefield. While the F-47 is optimized for air superiority and deep strike missions, the F-55 is a multi-role platform designed for ground attack, close air support, and secondary air-to-air engagements. This division of labor ensures that each aircraft can focus on what it does best, creating a powerful synergy between the two. In a scenario involving China, for instance, the F-47 would take the lead, leveraging its long-range capabilities and superior stealth to neutralize enemy air defenses and eliminate high-value targets. The F-47 would also coordinate with CCAs to extend its reach and enhance its situational awareness. Meanwhile, the F-55, with its enhanced thrust and payload, would focus on precision strikes against surface targets or engage enemy aircraft in air-to-air combat. The F-55's ability to operate in contested environments, where dense surface-to-air missile networks exist, would make it a vital asset in the later phases of a conflict. Together, these two aircraft would form the backbone of U.S. air superiority, ensuring that the United States can maintain dominance in the skies against near-peer adversaries like China and Russia. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the future of American air superiority, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe to our channel for more updates on cutting-edge military tech and the latest in aviation news. Leave a comment below with your thoughts on the F-55 and F-47. We'd love to hear your opinion. Stay tuned for more content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.